So this is kind of what I'm starting out with. I've got these two metal racks over here that are just temporary. That one, there's one back there. My freezer's back there. These cabinets are on wheels. These are uppers though. And then I've got two black racks that I've been using for food storage. And that's just in the kitchen. So I picked up cabinets in the living room in there to go along this wall. And my hope is that I've got the right cabinets to make it work so that I don't have to have any kind of racks in here. That when I get finished with the configuration, that I'll actually be able to have enough cabinets so I don't have to worry about it. So, here goes nothing. Okay, so here's the first stage of this cabinet project. This is a 36-inch. There's the freezer, and then there's two 24-inch pieces. And my countertop is actually 2 by 10 by 10 foot pieces. And I absolutely love the wood. I didn't know if I would. At first I was gonna get thinner pieces like the 1 by, but it was cheaper to get 2 bys, just because the way they buy wood and stuff. So I love it. It's this heavy duty countertop, and I'm gonna cover it in a contact paper, probably, so that it's wipeable once I get it all. I gotta fuse it together. I gotta get my furring strips and go across this way so that it stays, you know, stays put. All right, so here is where I'm at now. So here's the cabinets and the board top, and yes, I have some work to do. This and this were the rolling, these are on wheels, these are the rolling cabinets that I had made back at the other house, and it's gonna work okay to have these here because that can move out of the way so I can get to those drawers and everything. But I gotta get contact paper for the top of that to hold me over until spring when I can finish it off like I want it. But the contact paper will make it look clean and nice. Same thing with this. And I wasn't really going to do an island, but that actually works pretty good because it's very narrow. So it's kind of a makeshift island. I think I'm going to leave it so I can just push it off out of the way, you know, whenever I don't need it. Or if I need to bring something through here, you know, it's out of the way, and then I can clean the kitchen pretty good. So today's project was to cover the long ass countertop in this contact paper, and it's just an inexpensive contact paper that is not shiny. It looks like a newspaper. I didn't do a very good job, and that's okay, but because I got some wrinkles in it, but then it'll keep it cleaner and easy to wipe off. And so there's that. And then the other thing I did was I installed shelving because this did not have shelves in this cabinet back here, and I needed it to be able to have extra space. So good evening. So I wanted to just show you what I've done today. Went this morning and dug these out from my storage unit. They were all the way in the back corner, of course. And then did the shelf across the top, and it looks really good. And then we decided that our grow lights that I had on the racks would work really good as cabinet lighting. So we hung those up. I have to finish tucking and all that kind of stuff for the cording, but it looks really good. It actually gives me quite a bit of light in here, and these are grow lights, so my plants will do really well in here as well. So yeah, it's still got work to do, but it is finally coming together a little bit better. And once I figure out what all goes where and maybe get it painted or something like that, it'll be good. I really do wish I could put these on the wall, but until I get permission, I'm just gonna do it this way, so we'll see. right, so the project today is I had this thinner type of wood, these panels like this on top of here, which are actually still on here because you can see them underneath here. And what I did is I bought a 1x2, cut it in half, and added it to the top so that it's actually really sturdy. I was thinking it might be too top heavy, but it's actually not. It's really good. And then I just covered it in the same contact paper, and now I've got my rolling island, but the counter is actually counter height now and wide enough to where we can use it and it's cleanable. So yeah, that's my little island project, and I like it because I could just move it off to the side out of the way, and it's, you know, it works really good. Yay.